Hello guys, welcome back in WordPress tutorial series, and today I'm going to show you how can you install the WordPress in XAMPP. If you want to keep practice in WordPress but you don't have any domain or hosting, so don't worry, this is the best option for you to install the WordPress in your local system. I don't waste your time, so let's start the topic. First you need to download the latest version of the WordPress. Just open the Google and type here WordPress and then open the first link and download the latest version of the WordPress. But remember one thing, it will be a zip file, so you need to first unzip this. So after unzip this, you need to copy the folder and then paste it into the htdocs folder of XAMPP. If you don't know what is the htdocs and how to configure your local server, then just comment below and I will also help you to set up your local server. Then open the XAMPP control panel and run MySQL and Apache services. Now open any web browser which you use. I will open the Chrome and then type localhost/WordPress. Remember, WordPress is the folder name which I have pasted in a htdocs folder. Now as you can see, the installation process is begin and you need to choose a language. I'll choose the default one, which is English. So now proceed it, and here you will see you need to fill database detail. So I will first stop it here and create the database for WordPress. Just type the localhost/phpMyAdmin and your phpMyAdmin will be open. Now I will create the database. So just click on DB option and type the database name. I'll type VPDB and then create it, and you will see in the right side your database will be created. Now go back to the installation process and here you need to fill the database detail. I'll just type VPDB in the database name and root in a user. Root is a default user, you can create your own, but I will go with the default one. And then in the prefix option you will see VP is the default prefix of WordPress. Now I'll proceed it and then fill some details of your project. First type the title of your project and then set the login detail. I will type here admin as a user and then set the password, and also fill the email ID so that you can reset your password and then submit it. Now you can see the installation process is done and you can log in it and then you can start your work in WordPress. So thank you guys, hope you will be like it and it will be helpful for you. So keep watching and I'll be come back with more interesting topics. Till then, bye bye.